We're going to talk about the volume of an ice cream cone. Let's turn that ice cream cone upside down, okay? Uh, the base of the cone, or the bottom of the cone, or the top, whatever you want to call it, it's the base. It looks like a what? A circle, and if it has a circle, then it has a what? What's this distance called on the circle? All right? So the radius and how high the cone is are the two dimensions that we want to talk about for this ice cream cone, all right? And pi, well, you know pi is 3.14, but you could also let pi be 22 sevenths. Now pi is really neither one of those values, okay? But right now we're going to let pi be 22 sevenths, all right? Now the volume of a cone, all right? It looks like, the bottom of the cone looks like a circle. And since it has a circle, remember the area of a circle is pi r squared. That times the other dimension here gives us the volume of the cone. Now you've seen that before, haven't you? Okay? That's not the formula for a cone, that's the formula for a cylinder, isn't it? Okay, now look at the top of this cylinder. The top looks like a circle, and so does the bottom. Well, ours does the bottom looks like a circle, but the top comes up to a point. So this is about a third of what you'd have here. In fact, it's exactly 1/3, all right? So this is the formula for this. Now, this is the formula for the cylinder, but if you take a third of that, you get the formula for the ice cream cone, all right? All right, so now let the radius be 3 meters and the height be 7 meters, and tell me what's the volume of this cone. Now you know you have 1/3 times pi, which is 22 sevenths, and r squared is really what? R times r times the h, the height of the cone. So then let's fill in the values now. 1/3 goes here. Pi, we said, was this fraction. Okay, r is 3 meters. You write that twice, and then h is 7 meters. Now, the first thing I notice about this, the 3 and the 3 are the same number, so they will cancel. And the 7 will too with the 7. Now, that's going to leave you 22 times 3. And then you're still going to have that meters times meters times meters. We write meter cubed, but you say 66 cubic meters for the volume.